Do you guys see all this green? What if I tell you you can walk here every single day? There is more than 50,000 planets in this area, and the biggest and the largest living compound in Sharjah. And it is available for all nationality with 100% ownership. And this might be your living smart villa that has the full equipment. And you have an option from 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, 6 bedrooms. As you guys can see, it has big and private area with the great facilities and amenities. The pool and the services is so amazing, and it has a great location. Everything is around you. Malls, shops, hospitals and schools. All of that with a down payment 85,000 dirham with an easy payment plan. What are you waiting for? Register now.